Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen Monday Morning Coffee, you would have heard me talk about this video. And if not, well, I am just so happy that you stopped by. You know, in November, we all think more about, being thankful and blessings that we received and stuff. And I am the same. Most of you know I have created this beautiful 30 Days of Blessings journal. And this was a journal, and I did not create the journal itself. That was created by a beautiful girl named Lynette, who is Simply Chic here on YouTube. But I did, all the pages on the inside and stuff. And while I thought about sharing it with you on a daily basis, I'm decided not to do that. Some things are very personal, and I wanted to keep them that way. But I wanted to tell you first a little bit about why I created this and how I did it. So I created it obviously to record, my gratitude each and every day, but also blessings that I received and that kind of thing. And so if you've seen my videos, the first couple months I decorated, you would see this little time card, and I actually changed it into a little way to record my Be Grateful. And so that's what I did each and every day as I'm starting it now. I record every day little things that I'm grateful for. And then I decided to do blessings. Things that I received, a blessing I received that day. So this is ledger paper in here, and it was a wonderful way to do that. It was 30 days, and I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. And then on the back, what I've also divided up into are prayers. And it's 30 days of prayers, and each day I will be praying for somebody new or, prayer requests and that kind of thing for 30 days. But what's so cool about it is I've made a pocket out of that page, and I'm going to be putting slips of paper in there when those prayers have been answered. So, but what is my important message? Well, I wanted to share with you my first entry on November the 1st, because it was, I don't know, it's kind of like a revelation that hit me. I reflected on this past week, which was really difficult week, and it just moved me. And when I sat down with my journal that day, I was thinking, what kind of blessings can I write about? It's been a really bad week. But then, I stopped to think about it, and the words just kind of tumbled off my mouth. So I'd like to read what I wrote. And I wrote it on the back of this wonderful tag here that was in my book. And I would like to read what I wrote because I really wanted to share it with you. And then I'm going to share some thoughts with you. So it started as, thinking back, it seems we all think more about being grateful or our blessings when November rolls around each year. Thanksgiving reminds us to be thankful for all the blessings that we have received. This time of the year, it tends to refocus our thoughts and hearts on what it truly means to be blessed. I started questioning myself of why it is only in November we do this. I am so very grateful for so many blessings I received this past year. And though to some who know what's going on in my life may question that statement, I truly have been blessed. Even with very little, I have much to be thankful for. First and foremost, I am eternally grateful for the love of my Lord and Savior. Through all the difficult times this past year, I would not have been able to walk through the fires had it not been for Him. As I reflect each day on the blessings I have received on a daily basis, let me be reminded to be thankful for the other 11 months. To be thankful and grateful every day of the year. I pray that I will also remember to not only say thank you, but to return the gratitude in not only words, but deeds. Let my heart show gratitude in loving others. Then I will be truly thankful. Those words just kind of rolled off my brain, my thoughts. See, the truth of the matter is, we spend so much time focusing or worrying and complaining and gossiping and dreaming about how our lives could be different. And what if I only had this, my life would be better. Or if this would happen, my life would be better. And we tend to do that more often than we tend to say thank you or be grateful. Because each and every one of us receives simple blessings every day. Life is short. It's just a blink of an eye. For we truly don't know how long we have here on this earth. One simple blink of an eye can change everything we take for granted. It can alter our lives forever. We all should focus on what's important and be grateful. You and I are truly blessed. And the thing is, we need to believe that. Even during the hardest days, we need to believe that we are blessed. We should live our lives so that we leave a legacy of love, blessings, and gratitude behind. That's what's truly important in life. And my friends, I wanted to share this message with you because I wanted you to know how very important that you all are to me. And if I have not said it enough, let me say it again. Thank you. Thank you for all the love and support that so many of you have shown me, not only in words, but in actions. I don't think I could have survived most of this year without you all in my life. Now, true, God has really blessed me, and He watches over me, and I truly believe that. But He uses you to help do so. And I wanted you all to know how eternally grateful I am to all of you. I have no idea what's going to be happening in the future months in my life. I have no idea what's going to be happening with my channel. I know each and every day I hope to be able to continue doing videos, or devotions, or crafting videos, but I have no idea what's going to happen in this life. And you know what? You don't either. And it's okay. We take each day as it comes. But for now, I plan on doing my videos and sharing love with everybody that I meet. I hope that you will do so too. Now, my biggest goal for now and next year is to make sure that I count my blessings each and every day. We've all heard, count your blessings. But how many of us count our problems more than we count our blessings? So my goal is to do a journal each and every month of the entire year for next year to count my blessings so that I can look back and see what wonderful things have happened in my life. And that tends to sustain us when we go through the hardest part of our lives. Thank you, my friends, for watching today. I hope in some small way that this video will encourage you and lift you up, because I want you to know that you are truly loved and you are truly blessed. Have a wonderful week, my friends, and I will see you all again soon. God bless. Bye-bye.